again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So, oh, you're a bit close there, aren't you? I have got July's Gelbox. So it looks like we've got a sea theme going on. Something in my mouth. Looks like we've got a sea theme going on. I like the look of this. So let's just get it open. So I'm going to give you a sneak peek like I always do when I open these boxes. Oh, look. Got a starfish. Let's have a quick sneak peek and then I'm going to move it off to the side. What we got. So this is your little practice sheet you get every month. You can have a little practice on there, write down what you need. And for anybody that's new, Gelbox is a monthly subscription, although you can buy them as a one-off. They come with 4 gels, sometimes you'll get a builder gel, and everything inside the box is what you need to complete the tutorial. And this is the vinyl sticker tutorial that you get. This gives you a clue as to the colours that might be in here. That's cute. And I have got a 15% discount code. It'll all be in my description box. And they do ship internationally as well. Right, let's get this moved off to the side and we'll have a nosy. Right, so that is the vinyl sticker. So first I can see we have got a little mermaid chameleon. Look at this colour. And it's a little oh gosh, that is teeny tiny little thin brush. You can never go wrong with a teeny tiny little brush. Look at the size of that. Teeny tiny little artwork. I like it. We've got a cuticle oil. What scent is it? Oh, I don't know. I'm going to have to tell them to write on what the scents are. I don't know. I can't even describe it. But it's nice. And that all matches the box as well. These are made with perfume experts. They're not just cheap thrown together cuticle oils. They're made with perfume experts. Really good quality. Right, what else have we got? Oh, we got a bracelet. I love stuff like this. I've just been away for a few days and I was wearing an evil eye bracelet thing made out of quartz stones and stuff. I do love stuff like this and I do wear it. But I think it's going to be too big for me, even on its smallest. I think it's going to be too big. It's not too bad, actually. It's not too bad, not too bad. It's not too bad. Let me wrap some of this around so it's not sticking out. Right, let's leave that on for the video. Right, what else have we got? We've got another vinyl sticker. Starfish. Right, what else have we got? Oh, we got some little... What are these? Alright, so we've got some blue hex in here. We've got loads of little bits of stone and shell. Yeah, and shell. Oh, we've got some abalone shell there. Can you see? We've got a couple of pieces of abalone shell. Pearls. Moon stars. Little gold embellishment shells. Can you see the little starfish? Oh, look at this teeny tiny little shell there. Oh, look at that sun. We've got the sun there and the moon. Oh, we've got big starfish and little starfish. That's a cute little bag to do a under the water themed set, isn't it? All sorts in there. I like it. That's cute. Right. The star of the show is always the gels. Right, what we got? So we've got 4 gels. And guys, look. Hemmer free. I know there's a few of you ladies that loved the look of these boxes. But they wasn't hemmer free to start with. So I think, I'm not sure, I will check. But last month's box was hemmer free. And so is this month's box by the look of it. So that's fantastic. So we have got bikini bottom. Looks like a nice minty green. Slight blue tone, but it's mostly minty green, I'd say. I'm going to give all these a swatch anyway. Gelbox gels are so nice to use. They are amazing. They're quite a thin consistency gel, but they're just so creamy, really pigmented, and beautiful, beautiful gels to use. And guys, have you ever seen 20ml bottles? They are huge. Right, get on with it, Aggie. Margarita San Jose. Is that how you say it? This looks like a unique colour. It's like a pistachio green, isn't it? That's nice. And guys, look, we've got a bright neon Ariel. Of course, that's a good name. And it's one of them neon. Oh, it's a bright, bright orange. Or is it a bright red? No, I think that's orange, isn't it? So much brighter than what you guys are seeing. So much brighter. Right, and this one, Canary Island, looks to me like it is a builder in, I can tell this is a builder in a bottle. A very unique one. I'm going to struggle to show you this in the pot. I'm going to swatch them anyway. It's got loads of bits and shards. Black, white, red, blue, little yellow. Right, I'm going to have to swatch that. But it's a really nice, like a nude pink. But it's full of different, oh sugar. Did you see me catch that drip? That was close. Yeah, it's full of all different colour bits. Can you see? That's different. Right, let's get these gels swatched. Right, so I'm just going to swatch them in the order that I showed you. So I'm going to start with, what was this one called? Bikini Bottom. Wait and see how these apply, guys. They're so nice. Yeah, they're a really thin gel. But look how creamy they are and how they apply. They're so nice to use. Fantastic for nail art as well. Because they're so pigmented and opaque. They're really nice to do artwork with as well. Look at that. One really thin coat. Beautiful. I like that colour. Right, Margarita San Jose, I think is how you say this one. This is a nice, unique colour, isn't it? It's like a really bright pistachio green. I don't know if I'd call it a neon. No, I don't think I would call it a neon. Not quite. Nearly. A distant cousin of a neon. Oh, that's nice. I think that could pass as a neon, couldn't it? That's a beautiful colour. Right, and this Ariel, neons can be, I say it all the time, hit and miss. A lot of neons can be a bit sheer and jellified, can't they? And I don't know why that is. They just are. So let's see what this is like. Oh wow, it's nice. It's definitely not as creamy as the other gels. But as a neon, it's fantastic. One coat again, look at that. Oh my gosh. One coat, it's beautiful. And it's definitely not transparent. One thin coat. Beautiful. Right, and lastly, we have got this builder. Dying to see what this is like. So I am going to do probably a couple of layers of this just to build it up and try and get a little bit of everything that's in there. I'm going to do it on the inside of the swatch stick, just so I don't have to encapsulate it or anything. But I am going to struggle to get it in there initially. So let's see what we got. So I can see, I don't know if they're small hex or if they're shards. We've got orange, blue, two different kinds of blue, black, and then I can see really fine little tiny glitter pieces of yellow and red. This is so unique, guys. Really, really different. There's red squares. Yeah, there's a couple of different blues in there. Look at this. I don't think it's going to need a second coat just for a swatch stick. Right, I'm just going to cure that anyway. And then I'll get them all top coated and we'll have a look. Right, there we go, guys. That is them all swatched. They actually go real. Do you know, they do it every month, Gelbox. They put wacky colours together, but they always work. And them three colours, they work, don't they? So that is what we've got. The blue on there, the red, the yellow, yellowy green. And then underneath, the speckledy stuff is this builder gel. And yeah, it's got blue, red, black. It's got the greeny yellow. It's got the light bluey green. It's got them all in there. Really, really unique for a builder, that, isn't it? So, I don't know if I'm going to recreate that or do something completely different. I haven't decided yet, but I've definitely got to do something. I am home now. I've been away so much recently, guys. My channel is all over the place. It's so unorganized, and it's been really getting me down and stressing me out. I'm home for 3 weeks now, and I'm going to try and get myself really organised and get on top of things, because, yeah, I'm not sleeping because of it either. Yeah, I'm no good at being unorganised. When I'm unorganised, I can't deal with it. I don't sleep, I don't eat. I have to be organised, and that is exactly what I'm going to work on over the next 3 weeks, getting myself organised again. I've had so much going on this year. It is crazy, and I'm only halfway through what needs to be done. I've still got a mountain to climb. But anyway, guys, that is it for today. I'll leave a link below. Don't forget you can get 15% off using my code. And don't forget the gels are HEMA free. That is fantastic. Huge bottles, a dream to use. I've never got nothing but good things to say about this brand. I really haven't. I really love what they do. I think it's different. I think it's quirky. I don't see anybody else doing it. There's lots of mystery boxes out there, but I haven't seen any that come with like a little tutorial and just a little bit of everything you need to create that design. I think it's really cute and different. But yeah, anyway, guys, that is it for today. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.